Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling the new features inside YouTube Studio. You don't need to wait. Go to Settings, then Channel, then Feature Eligibility and opt into available experiments. Verify your phone and link any brand account so uploads and analytics match. Once done, toggle the specific betas you want, Shorts tools, AI captions, pinned clips, because these controls unlock the later steps. This ensures you can test features immediately and prevents restrictions when you start publishing or editing with the new tools. You now edit using the updated editor workflow to improve watchability and discovery. Open a video, choose Editor and select the new tools, AI-generated captions to save time, clip pinning to highlight key moments, the multi-clip timeline for arranging shorts, and auto-enhance for quick color and audio fixes. Make precise timestamp edits and preview each change. Once satisfied, publish or schedule. If anything looks off, restore the original version. This lets you experiment without permanent loss, while learning how each tool impacts engagement. You finish by optimizing release and monitoring performance to learn fast. Use the new metadata fields and a /B thumbnail tests when publishing or scheduling so you can measure click-through rate and retention. Then watch real-time analytics for trends in shorts and long-form viewership and iterate. If something breaks, clear your browser cache, reauthorize the connected accounts, or revert recent edits in the editor. These steps often resolve sync and permission issues. Keep testing small changes so you steadily improve results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.